Hey family, this is Reginald Kuankaru, and today I wanted to talk to you about an idea about really comparing the Kemetic idea of heaven to the religious idea of heaven. And what I want to make sure that you understand about the Kemetic science idea is that really any of these things that we talk about are about creating states within you that really develop your vibration and move your frequency into a certain position. Okay. So heaven is no different in this sense. Within the religious idea, heaven is something that you try to live and try to, or I should say, heaven is something that you try to reach once you die. It really has no practical application except to keep you in fear of either going to hell or you're going to make it into heaven. Okay. The Kemetic idea is more about creating states within yourself, creating states of joy and happiness within you. There's a difference between the practical application of that in everyday life because you have control and power over the states that you choose to live. Okay. You choose to be happy. You choose to live in a certain way every single day.